Hi, so this is my PowerPoint presentation on why I chosen to study electronic engineering at GMIT. The points I'll be focusing on is technology is the future, the career opportunities, and women in technology. Technology has changed a lot over the past 40 years, and each year something new is being released that we never thought was possible. Currently with COVID, the release of the COVID Tracker app had to be worked on quite quickly and had to be accurate. This creation of the app was a big help for things to run smoother and take the pressure off. This is what technology is all about. It's about helping and updating the technology we already have. This is something I always wanted to do and I find really fascinating. Secondly, the career opportunities that come with this degree was a big factor. You can work in so many different sectors, but the money was also a factor because the cost of living in the cities where a lot of these companies are based is very high. GMIT is also known for their work experience and how students have gotten jobs out of the work experience after their 4 years are done. This was a big reason why I chose to study at GMIT. Lastly, women in technology. It is a very male-dominated field, but over the past few years, we have seen an increase in women, but it's still very low, and this was a big push that made me want to go into electronic engineering. Thank you.